the Cobra stretch. So you're going to start laying face down on the ground. What you're going to aim to do is put your elbows directly underneath your shoulders, and this is the beginner stage and where you start. So elbows go on the ground directly underneath your shoulders, and you're going to lift your upper body, starting with your head and rolling down through first your chest, and still trying to keep your belly on the ground. So it's trying to cut your upper body into segments. So head and neck, chest, then abs, and so forth. If we can keep our abs on the ground as much as possible and allow that extension through the spine is what we're after. Once you feel that this is comfortable, you can now place your hands where your elbows are, so directly underneath where your shoulders would be, and straighten your arms and trying to force your belly button to the ground. So keeping your belly button down as much as possible and trying to get that rounded extension through each vertebrae in your spine. This is our Cobra stretch, both the beginner from the elbows and the more advanced on the hands. What you can do is look up and lift your chin as much as high as possible as well to aid in dealing that.